Some people love consuming their fin soup. Nowadays, we are even eating their meat, but their population is extremely limited. We commit more cruel acts upon this sea creature compared to any other on Earth. Let's discuss about what happens if all the sharks went extinct in today's video of DiscoverZen. According to a recent estimate, sharks kill on average of 6 humans a year, and we kill more than 100 million of them every year. The population of oceanic white-tip sharks has declined the most as compared to any other shark species. Many studies show that the shark population has reduced by 99% in the last 30 years. What could have caused this drastic decline in their population? Well, there are many things like shark fin soup, meat, cosmetics, and so on. Humans are always afraid of sharks, thinking that they are the bad boys in the ocean. The results from a national opinion poll commissioned by the UK charity Bite Back Shark and Marine Conservation recently revealed that 46% of Brits would prefer an ocean without sharks. So, we have little to no public interest in saving these predators. Now let's think of the world where there are no more sharks in the ocean. As apex predators, sharks play an important role in the ecosystem by maintaining the species below them in the food chain and serving as an indicator for ocean health. Sharks generally eat fish that are weak and sick, ensuring that the fish population remains healthy and at a size that the habitat's resources can support. So if there are no more sharks in the ocean, we will notice that the population of all those sick fish will increase, which can result in an ecological imbalance. This doesn't mean that sharks eat only weak fish, but most of the time, sharks eat these small fish, which lead to controlling the population. The population of those small fish will have a drastic increase when the sharks go extinct. And small fish generally eat plankton and little shrimp. Soon, their food will also be gone, and as a result, they will starve to death. When that happens, algae and bacteria move into the reef, which covers up the coral reefs so that it can't photosynthesize. Dali Engel, an assistant professor in the Marine Science Department and director of the Shark Conservation Lab at Florida Tech, said that the coral will die, leaving just its skeletons behind, which eventually turns into limestone. After all that, the starfish and sea urchins will also die. So, instead of a bunch of different species like sharks, bony fishes, invertebrates, and mollusks, we will end up with a reef with 4 to 5 species in it tops. That's a dead reef. Apex predators like sharks not only affect population dynamics by consuming prey, but they can also control the spatial distribution of potential prey through intimidation. Fear of shark predation causes some species to alter their habitat use and activity level, leading to shifts in abundance in lower trophic levels. Top predators affect other animals in a cascade effect throughout the ecosystem, ultimately influencing the community structure. By taking sharks out of the coral reef ecosystem, the larger predatory fish, such as groupers, increase in abundance and feed on the herbivores. With fewer herbivores, macroalgae expand and corals can no longer compete, shifting the ecosystem to one of algae dominance, affecting the survival of the reef system. Half of all coral reefs in the ocean are now destroyed, and another 40% of them could be lost over the next 30 years. Even our plastic wastes found in the ocean are killing the coral reefs. There is so much destruction to nature with a human population of just 7.8 billion. But what happens if our population becomes 100 billion? That seems like a different topic to speculate and investigate on DiscoverZen.